Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 17 May 2018, 17 of hour, 32 of minute and 30 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, do black snakes eat birds? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about do black snakes eat birds. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about do black snakes eat birds. Diet: black snakes mostly eat rodents, lizards, birds, and bird eggs. Rat snakes are constrictors, while black racers generally aren't. They can climb trees, and, if you don't protect your birdhouses with baffles, will break your heart by invading the nests. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.